Hey, beautiful souls. Welcome to Anlex TV, where flavor meets soul. My name is Annie B, and you read the caption. In today's video, we're going to be having some fun with some bagels. We have not one, but two recipes starring the bagel. Okay, we have some sausage and spinach bagel quiche cups. Look how good that looks. Sausage and spinach bagel quiche cups made in the muffin tin. And then we have here a spinach bagel pizza. That's for mama because she doesn't eat sausage. These came out great. Okay, two fun recipes using the bagel. Great for brunch or breakfast. Ain't nothing to it but to get into it. I have some chorizo sausage that I diced up. I also took the skin off of the sausage. Dice up your sausage, dice up your red and green bell pepper. We're going to dice some onions, some scallion, and cilantro. Okay? How's everyone doing? I pray that you all are doing well. I really, really do. Right, so in a pot, in a little bit of oil on medium heat, you're going to add your sausage. We're going to add our scallion, our onion, our bell peppers, and a little cilantro. And you're going to just saute this until your sausage is nice and brown. That's it. Just a few minutes. I think I maybe sauteed this for like 5 minutes, I want to say. Okay, very simple. I have to write out a recipe for you guys for this, okay? And then here I am slicing my spinach, and that's going to go in the saute mixture. And in this, I just have some cilantro, some scallion, some peppers, and some onion that I seasoned with salt and black pepper. That's going to go on top of the quiche cups. I have 8 eggs here. We're going to scramble them. They're going to be seasoned with oregano, salt, black pepper, garlic powder, paprika. Give that a good whisk. Add in your spinach, give that a good whisk. Add in about 3/4 of your sausage. You want to save some of it to go on top of your sausage and spinach bagel quiche cups. I made a cornstarch slurry. You're going to add some of that in and mix that in. That helps to hold everything together nicely. Okay, I really like adding cornstarch slurry to things these days. All right, here's my bagel. We're going to toast those bagels in the air fryer to get them a little crispy so that they don't get soggy in the egg mixture. Cut them up a little smaller than bite-sized pieces. And then we're going to go ahead and get our muffin tin. Get some oil in there so that our quiche cups don't stick. Add your bagel pieces in there. Do not fill them up too high. You just want that as the bottom layer. So fill about maybe halfway. Yeah, about halfway or a third, about that, somewhere in between there. Then go ahead and add in your egg mixture on top. Then we're going to go in with some shredded mozzarella cheese, some shredded cheddar cheese. Right, so there goes our cheese. And then remember the peppers and onion and cilantro that we seasoned with salt and black pepper. That's going to now go on top of there as well as the rest of the sausage. So simple, so fun to make. I really did have fun making this. And it was even more fun seeing my son demolish it. Listen, he ate 2.5 in one day. Well, one day, 2.5 of these. That boy is going to be taller than me by the end of this year. Okay, look at how good that looks before we even finish. And I also added some red pepper flakes. Pop that in the oven on 350 for about 20 minutes. And voila. Look at that. Look at that. Those sausage and spinach bagel quiche cups look amazing. And like I said earlier in the intro, so perfect for brunch, so perfect for breakfast. Portable also. You could take this to work, just pop it in the microwave. If your job has an air fryer or oven, you are even better to go. All right, then with the extra ingredients, I wanted to make my mom some spinach bagel pizza. So yeah, that's what I'm making her. Cut my bagels in half, added some butter, mozzarella cheese, cheddar cheese. I'm going to saute some red and green bell pepper with some onion, oregano, salt, black pepper, minced garlic. We're going to saute that, then add some spinach. Okay, just until the spinach wilts. You know, spinach wilts super fast. It can't wait to wilt. So there we have that. Then we're going to go on with some pasta sauce over top the cheese, and then over the top the pasta sauce, we're going to add our spinach, our sauteed spinach and onion and peppers and all that goodness. And then we're going to top with a little bit more cheese. I basically finished the cheese here. It was all the cheese I had left, okay? And then again, with some red pepper flakes, pop that in the air fryer on 400 for just a few minutes until it gets, the bagel gets a little crispy on the edges and your cheese has melted just like that. My mother loved these. And the great thing about it is she said it tasted even better the next day when she reheated it. I love that. I love that these can be reheated. They're perfect. They're portable. And it's just a great way to have a fun, simple breakfast or brunch for a few days. Okay, so good. Bagels are fun. You could have some really awesome bagel recipes for breakfast or brunch. Similar to these, you can add whatever ingredients you want. If you want to do feta cheese, any kind of cheeses you like, any type of meats you like, and it's going to be amazing. So good. Look at that. Yum. You see how the bagel's nice and crispy. It has the crispy edges. And then my mom's spinach pizza. Just a great way to have a good meal and get some extra protein in without it being too many calories, okay? Anywho, I thank you all for tuning in. Thank you so much. I appreciate every single one of you. God bless and peace.